types of heavy manipulation and how to defend against them. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a critical topic that affects many of us: manipulation. We'll explore 12 heavy manipulation tactics, from gaslighting to love bombing, and arm you with practical strategies to recognize and defend against them. Stay tuned to empower yourself with knowledge and protect your mental and emotional well-being. Manipulation is a pervasive and insidious behavior that can take many forms, ranging from subtle persuasion to outright coercion. Recognizing and defending against manipulation is crucial for maintaining autonomy and well-being. In this guide, we'll explore 12 types of heavy manipulation and provide strategies to effectively defend against each one. Understanding these tactics and how to counter them empowers you to protect yourself and foster healthier relationships. Manipulation can manifest in various forms, ranging from subtle persuasion to coercive tactics. Here are 12 types of heavy manipulation and some strategies to defend against them. 1. Gaslighting. This involves distorting someone's perception of reality to make them doubt their own sanity or judgment. To defend against gaslighting, trust your instincts, seek validation from trusted individuals, and keep a record of events. 2. Emotional blackmail. Manipulators use guilt, fear, or obligation to control others. To defend against emotional blackmail, set boundaries, recognize manipulation tactics, and prioritize your own needs and well-being. 3. Isolation. Manipulators may isolate their victims from friends, family, or support networks to exert control. To defend against isolation, maintain strong connections with trusted individuals, seek outside perspectives, and recognize the importance of healthy relationships. 4. Exploitation. Manipulators exploit others for personal gain, whether it's financial, emotional, or social. To defend against exploitation, be cautious of individuals who seem overly interested in your resources or vulnerabilities, set clear boundaries, and seek advice from trusted sources. 5. False promises. Manipulators make promises they have no intention of keeping to manipulate others into complying with their wishes. To defend against false promises, trust actions over words, seek clarification and guarantees, and hold manipulators accountable for their commitments. 6. Guilt tripping. Manipulators use guilt to manipulate others into doing what they want. To defend against guilt tripping, recognize when you're being manipulated, assertively communicate your boundaries, and focus on your own values and priorities. 7. Shaming. Manipulators use shame to control and degrade others. To defend against shaming, maintain self-esteem and confidence, challenge negative beliefs, and surround yourself with supportive individuals who value and respect you. 8. Intimidation. Manipulators use threats, aggression, or bullying to control others. To defend against intimidation, stay calm and composed, assertively assert your boundaries, and seek help from authorities or support networks if necessary. 9. Love bombing. Manipulators shower their victims with excessive attention, affection, or gifts to gain control. To defend against love bombing, maintain a balanced perspective, take time to get to know someone before becoming emotionally invested, and prioritize healthy relationships built on mutual respect and trust. 10. Silent treatment. Manipulators use silence as a form of punishment or control to manipulate others. To defend against the silent treatment, communicate openly and assertively, refuse to engage in passive-aggressive behavior, and seek support from others if needed. 11. Triangulation. Manipulators involve a third party to manipulate and control relationships. To defend against triangulation, maintain open communication within relationships, address conflicts directly, and refuse to participate in manipulative dynamics. 12. Control over information. Manipulators control or manipulate information to maintain power and control over others. To defend against information control, seek diverse sources of information, verify facts independently, and question narratives that seem one-sided or manipulative. Defending against manipulation requires vigilance, self-awareness, and a commitment to maintaining your well-being. By recognizing these manipulation tactics and implementing the suggested strategies, you can build resilience and create healthier, more respectful interactions. Remember, you have the right to set boundaries, seek support, and prioritize your own needs. Empower yourself with knowledge and take proactive steps to protect against manipulation, fostering a life of greater autonomy and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Have you encountered any of these manipulation tactics? Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay strong, stay informed, and take care of yourself. See you in the next video.